Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Letras Z School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with third chapter of statics in class 11th, and today's topic is sample method, and we are going to study its suitability, merit, demerits, and essential of a good sample. Now, what is sample method? Sample method is that method in which data is collected about the samples on a group of items taken from the population for examination and conclusion are drawn on their basis. Now, what are its suitability? Sample method is particularly suitable when the size of the population is very large, where high degree of accuracy is not needed, intensive examination of diverse items is not required, when different units of the universe are broadly similar to each other. Now let's begins with merits and demerits of sample method. Merits: economical. Sample method of investigation is economical because only some units of sample of the population are studied. Time saving. In this method only limited number of items are investigated, so it requires less time. Identification of errors. Because only a limited number of items are covered, errors can be easily identified and traced. Large investigation. Sample method is more feasible in a situation of large scale investigation. Administrative convenience. There is an administrative convenience in handling a limited number of items. It is more scientific because the sample data can be conveniently investigated from the various angles. Now, sample method also have some demerits. Let's see them. Partial. It is only a partial investigation of the universe. The investigator's bias in the selection of the samples is not ruled out. Wrong conclusion. If the selected sample does not represent a characteristic of the universe, the study may end up with the wrong conclusion. Difficulty. Difficulty in selecting representative sample. It is not very easy to select a sample which would represent the characteristic of the entire population which you are going to investigate. Difficulty in framing a sample. Sometimes the universe may be so diverse and complicated that it becomes very difficult to frame a sample. Specialized knowledge. Sample involves a set of technical procedure. One must have the technical knowledge of choosing a representative sample from the universe. Persons who are well versed with all the techniques of the sampling are not easily available. Now, the last topic is, what are the essentials of a good sample? What are the features for a good sample which we are going to collect? Representative. A sample must represent all the features of the universe. It is possible only when each unit of the universe stands equal chance of being selected in the sample. Independent. All units of sample must be independent of each other. In other words, inclusion of one items in the sample should not be independent, should be dependent upon the inclusion of some other items of the universe. Homogeneity. If more than one sample are selected from a universe, these samples should be homogeneous, means which are similar. They should not be contradictory to each other. So, homogeneity of the sample is basic for a good sample. Last is adjacency. The number of items in the sample should be fairly adequate so that some reliable conclusion can be reached or reliable conclusion can be drawn, covering the characteristics of the universe as a whole. Basically, there are 6 types of sampling method: random sampling, purposive sampling, stratified sampling, systematic sampling, quota sampling, and last is convenience sampling. So these are the 6 methods which are popular in method of sampling, or we can say following are the principal methods or techniques of sampling which will be going to learn in our next class. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.